there, Joel from Potentialise, and this is Your Business Potential, giving you tips and tools to help you build a better professional, tech or trade services business. Need to get some clarity on your next business move? My Alternate Futures Plan is a simple roadmap to help you get super clear in a visual way on what you need to be doing both positively to work towards the best outcome for your business and what you need to be doing defensively to avoid the worst case scenario. Let's jump in and do a quick run through on how to use this tool.
Okay, so the Alternate Futures Plan is based on a simple decision tree structure. On the top half, we're looking at the positive moves that you need to make to get the best outcomes. And on the bottom half, we're planning the defensive moves that you need to make either now or in the future as you respond to changing circumstances. Looking at the vertical, there are three key areas, 3 Ps you need to be working on right now: your position, your people, and your platforms. Working from left to right, we start with your current position. What does that look like? Now, working across the model, first P, position. Best outcome? How does your business model need to change? Do you need to change your business messaging? What are your clients thinking right now? What's their biggest need? And defensively, what do you need to proactively manage to ensure you avoid moving towards the worst outcome? Second P, your people. Are there changes that you need to make to accountability that will help staff be their best in challenging times? What changes to activity need to occur? How will this help you move forward towards the best outcome? And what actions do you need to take as far as your people go to avoid the worst? Do you need to adjust working arrangements? And last P, platforms. What business systems do you need to create or implement to enhance your ability to deliver for your clients? Do you need to change how you connect with staff or customers? And on the defensive side, what do you need to cut in terms of expenses or redundant systems, etc., in order to stay lean and cost effective? And finally, to stay innovative and flexible, what do you need to be doing more of, moving towards, or doing less of, moving away from things that aren't appropriate for your business right now? Now, plot your best case outcome. This is what you're working towards, and also determine your worst case scenario, the place that you really want to avoid at all costs. That's it. Simple, really. Your Alternate Futures Plan.
Hey, if you'd like a free copy of the Alternate Futures Plan template, drop me a comment with the word future down below and I'll message you with the link. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.